Oh my dear Heavenly Father, boys and girls, ladies and germs, check this out. Oh my holy Jesus, bruh. Look at all these parcels. All right, y'all, so today, as y'all can see, based off this giant, what is that called, Jenga? I think that's what it's called. Stack of parcels. We got a fan unboxing, and I just want to give a huge shout out to all of you guys who send me stuff to my PO box, consistently watch the videos, subscribe, and drop these comments. I swear to God, bro, it's like opening a novel. Anytime I just dive into my own comment section, you dig. So I appreciate everyone who watched yesterday, or I guess the day before's video. It really means the world to me, and I love the nonstop support that I get from y'all's fine asses. Anyways, today, man, we have a huge fan unboxing. So without further ado, guys, let's jump into the first parcel today, which is in this nice brown envelope. And let's see what we got, man. Oh my holy hell. Oh, bruh, I got a Supreme sticker. This is actually something that I copped off the homie on Depop. And bruh, look at this absolute banger of a jacket. Holy hell, bro. You got the Rusty Wallace #2, black and yellow, bruh. And I absolutely love it. Wait, hold up. Let's throw this on body real quick. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my God, it fits like a glove. Oh, he is sex on ice.
Well, you know he is sex on ice.
Hey bro, real talk, man. I feel like if I was in the 30s, this is what I would wear if I was driving my robot vehicle. Speaking of which, bruh, today's video is brought to you by the fine folks at War Robots. All right, class, so War Robots is a tactical 6 versus 6 player shooter game where basically, man, you're a pilot and you get to pick your own robot to commandeer. So it could be a Adrian Chong or a Kyle Rogers, you feel me? Or even this low-key, like, fine chick, bro, she look hella cute. Anyways, guys, this game is 100% free 99, so it costs you nothing to play, and it has over 150 million users, bruh. That's more people than live in Argentina. And did I mention the robots? Each one is unique in terms of size and skill, so you can have a big bruiser or a small little dude. You can throw on a unique skin, and you have 67 different weapon choices to chunk on robot to absolutely obliterate your competition in team death matches. That's my favorite. So yeah, guys, if y'all want to play War Robots, click the link in the video description right now. You guys will get smacked in the face with this special offer. A free Gareth robot. Bro, unique skin, 100 gold, we love gold, and 400,000 silver. So yeah, you guys will be able to just jump in the game with hella upgrades and unique ass bots. Oh, and as an extra bonus, if you guys download the game by May 21st, you'll get hit by a level 10 robot and a level 23 legendary pilot. So yeah, go ahead and do that. You get this dude with like a sea urchin on his shoulder. That's unique. So man, y'all go ahead and download War Robots. The future is now, playboys. And don't you worry, baby boy. I only ride my robot on the weekends. All right, guys, so yeah, taking it back to the 16th century, dude, we're gonna hop into this next parcel, which is from Sarah Matthews. Oh my God, that's like 2 first names, bro, except her last name is a plural first name. That's crazy. Oh, chop it up. See, motherfucker, this is why drones are replacing your ass. Oh, yes. All right, guys, we are deep, so deep inside this next parcel. Oh yeah, and we got a letter. I love reading these. Ahem. It says, "Dear Paul, congrats on the new house. My hubby and I love your thrift escapades. You crack us up all the time. Do you think you could do a try-on of your personal collection? That would be," oh, there's an arrow, hold on. So cool. I was on the edge of my seat. Thanks for doing what you do, Sarah. At Sarah B Me and at I am Sarah Matthews on the IG. Please shout out my channel, Sarah B Me. All right, Sarah, so there is y'all shout out. I appreciate that. And no, I'm not about to try on all my clothes, but I low-key do that with each episode of a new video, you dig? So just stay tuned. All right, this thing is kind of heavy and it's wrapped in this orange papel. Let's see what is underneath. Oh, the suspense is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, still believe. Oh! Bro, this is so fire. See, guys, sometimes the simple things mean the most to me. Peep out the foliage, bro. Paul Cantu in the building. You have this awesome Looney Tunes like family tree picture frame. Bro, I guess I'm gonna have to get to baby making. Dude, man, this is awesome. I'll just put my my ass in that tree hole right there. I love diving in holes. But anyways, thank you so much, Sarah and your husband. I do appreciate this gift. This is absolutely extraordinary. And yeah, I'll probably put it on that shelf right behind my ass. Okay, so this next package is a little larger. It is from that boy, Jonathan Hotchkiss. I don't know if that's a real last name. What is a Hotch? I don't know, but it sounds in a pro. All right, let's slide Trish right down here with her hoof. Don't cut the item, Trish. Ah, yeah. It's like butter, baby. All right, guys, we in there like swimwear, and we have another note. So yes, it's Daddy Cantu story time. Dear Mr. Paul Cantu, sorry I lagged on sending this crew neck into you for so long. It's all right, I lagged unboxing it. I noticed a while back you liked my item on Depop a few months ago, and I was hyped. I collected a few things I thought you might like since then too. Rock them, sell them, trade them, up to you, my guy. But if you could, shout out my Depop at Feel Goods with the Z. And it says in parentheses, with the Z. I'd appreciate it. Keep doing what you're doing. You're an inspiration to me and our thrift community. Oh, thank you so much, man. Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate you. All right, so the homie Jonathan threw in the Bass Pro Shop. Fishes get you hella what? Hella bitches snapback. I actually been needing one of these, man. I appreciate this. And then you got Flounder the fish. Bro, this is not a flounder. Like, why is his name Flounder and he's not a flounder? I swear the mind games Disney be playing with us children, bro. It's messed up. It's high-key child abuse, bro. But yeah, man, this is super sick. Thank you so much. I will be displaying this up here. And then, oh my God. I hate a what? Bro. I hate a Goofy especially. Look at my guy, Big Goof.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Dressed up like the medieval town jester. My guy just got jokes on deck. Bro, this is such a cool Goofy. I've never seen one like this, and it still has the $2.19 Goodwill tag on it. Bro, the Jester Goofy is just, this hits on another level, bro. Thank you so much, Jonathan. And then last and not least, he threw in this here crew neck. Let's see what is on it. Oh yes, the Chicago Bulls, Miguel Jordan's team. Bro, this is so sick. I wish it was still cold outside because I would rock this on tit today. But thank you so much, Jonathan. You guys go follow your boy, or that boy. And yeah, show some love, man, because it definitely is love that he bestowed to me in that package. Thank you, bro. Like, damn. All right, so now we have another small one. This dude is kind of heavy. Then again, I am a weak mark-ass bitch. So, hey, good thing I had a sponsorship because YouTube don't like when I be cursing. Oh my goodness, straight off top, you guys can see it. Tommy for your mommy in the Bumblebee stripe colorway. You guys love when I talk about these bumblebees, bro. But yeah, this is a cool button up. I love the vertical stripages on it. Michigan Wolverine color scheme. This definitely is clean. Damn, this smells lovely. Holy heck, bro. Like, what detergent are you using? That it can't be cheap. That just tickles the senses. It says, thank you, thank you, thank you. I just love being spoiled. Garfield card. That's so nice, man. And then it says, love the videos. Thanks for all your hard work, Jade. Instagram vintage glam for you. Thank you, Jade. Thank you so much for that Tommy piece. We have another one. This one is pretty crinkled up. Seersucker pink, Tommy for your mommy. And then last and not least, oh no, there are two more things. Wow, just endless surprises. You have the Tommy like small polo. Hey, my girl said she didn't have a polo shirt, so she does now. This thing kind of small. And then I know this piece I'm gonna love, bro. Look at this for Christmas time, man. You got Wiley and Taz, the ultimate collab. Bro, teamwork makes the dream work. These are brother elves in the animated community. Thank you so much, Jade. This is sick. Okay, we have one more bill parcel to get into. So this parcel right here is huge, man. It's from Tristan Oh, it says Trish, open me. I can't read. All right, Trish, come on, man. You gotta do what you gotta do on this bad boy. I wouldn't have it any other way, guys. Jesus, holy Jesus. Oh, I just got a hernia. Oh, God. Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. I wonder what's inside again, man. Just so mysterious. I love it. It says, Paul, as a new subscriber to your channel, I must say you're effing hilarious. Thanks for inspiring me to do what I love, thrifting. Keep up the godly work. And if you don't mind shouting out my Depop page at Madker Bezo. I'll type it out. I'd appreciate it. Enjoy your planters. Oh, Madison. Oh, looks like we got some planters in the building. Yo! Where did you get this? Okay, all white. It's that poltergeist, bro. You have Minnie Mouse, just all white with a little, I don't know, butterfly net that you can throw some plants in. This is so clean, bruh. I cannot wait to paint this. So you got Minnie right here, and then do you got her husband, her rodent lover? You do, bro, you do. You have Mickey, oh no. You have Mickey and Minnie Mouse planters. Okay, me and my girl are gonna have like a little paint by numbers day and actually paint these bad boys. You hear that?
I hear that.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Yes, yes. All right, man. So thank you, Madison, and thank you to everyone who sent me stuff. I still have plenty of boxes that I need to go ahead and bust into, but I figured we'd just do a quick and sexy little video for you guys. If you guys want to play a game, man, click that link for War Robots. It really helps me out and helps me secure other sponsorships, which keeps my YouTube channel afloat. So anyways, if you guys don't download it, I love you regardless. Live the dream, eat that ice cream, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. We have a trip to the thrift dropping in 2 days, and it's like a banger, bruh. So yeah, man, I'm gonna hit you guys with it. And until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.